Hey everyone, it's Sean from Sterling and Stone, and I'm really excited to share this with you. So we wrote millions and millions of words before we decided that we needed software for ourselves to write better stories faster. And it took a long time, and millions of words later, we love what we have created. Now, amazing features will be coming soon. We'll continue to develop, but for right now, we have an amazing foundation for everything, for starting the stories that we want to do now, for the stories that you want to do now, and to house all the features that are going to be constantly coming. So let's jump in. All right, so the dashboard is where you can find all your books. You can see the Alien Invasion series here. Of course, these will be different for you. Let me jump into Contact to show you where your book contents are. Okay, so the left side is where we've dropped our Beats bar. More planning features are in the works, and obviously, we're super excited about all of those. But for now, the Beats bar gives us exactly what we need. This will have your book still broken down into chapters and scenes. You can see the rest of the books in our Invasion series over here. On the right, I have my world bar. And as you can see, I've updated and organized some of the elements already. This tool is crazy powerful. There's a ton of fill-ins, all these amazing fields. And when you really want to develop a character, or any element really, this is the place that you go, and just look how expandable it is. So again, I just wanted to thank all of you sincerely for your support, for your faith in us, for your dedication to improving the world around you by creating such excellent stories. Get in there, get your hands dirty, start building, and be sure to keep sending in your feedback about what you want to see in StoryShop. Thanks so much. Have fun telling stories.